If you were to shrink down and wander into the dense, rain-soaked depths of the Amazon basin, you might begin to feel as though you had stepped off our planet entirely and onto an alien world. High up in the warm, humid forest canopy, clinging to the undersides of glossy green leaves, lives a creature so bizarrely constructed that it defies our very understanding of evolutionary design. This is the Brazilian treehopper, known to science by the fittingly grand name Bocydium globulare. At first glance, you might struggle to even comprehend what you are looking at, but do not let its monstrously extraterrestrial silhouette fool you. This miniature marvel is incredibly small, measuring a mere 6 to 7 millimeters in length. This insect is no larger than a single pea or the tip of a standard wooden pencil. Yet, within that minuscule frame lies one of the most eccentric structural adaptations in the entire animal kingdom. Rising directly from the insect's thorax is a towering, vertical stalk that branches out into a surreal, multi-pronged crown. This structure features 4 dark, fuzzy spheres arranged in a perfect trapezoid, with a long, sharp spine pointing backward like a miniature tail fin. For decades, scientists have looked at this architectural wonder with sheer astonishment, asking, why on earth does a tiny bug need a helicopter of black orbs hovering over its head? To understand its structure, we have to look at how this treehopper survives in the competitive, predator-filled rainforests of South America. The Brazilian treehopper is a sap feeder. It spends its days anchored to the stems of host plants, particularly glory bushes, using its specialized, straw-like mouthparts to pierce the plant tissue and drink the sugary sap within. As it digests this energy-rich fluid, it secretes a sweet, sticky waste product known as honeydew. Because they spend so much time exposed on plants, treehoppers are prime targets for hungry birds, spiders, and predatory wasps. This is where their incredible headgear comes into play. The spheres on the treehopper's back are not eyes, nor are they heavy or dense. They are hollow, lightweight balls made of chitin, covered in sensitive, microscopic hairs that detect air currents and vibrations. But their primary function is visual defense. To a flying predator, those fuzzy, dark spheres look remarkably like the fruiting bodies of a specialized, insect-killing fungus. In the rainforest, eating a bug covered in lethal fungal spores is a death sentence, so predators steer clear. Alternatively, if a predator does strike, they often bite the fragile, hollow crown instead of the treehopper's actual body, allowing the tiny insect to drop to safety and escape with its life. For humans, the Brazilian treehopper is a brilliant indicator of the unmatched biodiversity found in pristine tropical rainforests. While they do not directly impact human agriculture or forestry in a harmful way, they serve as an invaluable model for biophysical research. Scientists and engineers study the lightweight, hollow chitin structures of their helmets to inspire new, ultra-lightweight materials and microsensors. What the Brazilian treehopper reveals to us is that evolution is not just about utility. It is an endless, creative canvas. It challenges our assumptions about what a living creature should look like, showing us that even in the tiniest, quietest corners of our world, nature is constantly experimenting, adapting, and turning the absurd into the highly functional. It is a beautiful, miniature testament to the boundless imagination of life on Earth.